today I'm going to unbox this. Okay, so see this back here where it's open, and I think down here. So, like this. Okay, I think that's opened. Now, can we get this out or something? Or is it like, oh, there we go. Oh my, there we go. So I think first we pull out, let's pull out this one first. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so I think we get it from here. Oh no, but I can still open here. And there we go. Here it is. Okay, now let's open it. I don't know what's in here though. Ooh, a beautiful sparkly hair tie. Smells pretty good too. Let's see what's in here. So, open this like this. Surprise make me sparkle. I don't really know what that means, but then let's pull out this one. Hold on. Like that. Now let's see what's in here. Ooh, this beautiful sparkly keychain, which can change color. See? Like that. And I don't actually know what this is. And then now let's pull this one out. Well, it doesn't want to fall. There we go. Now let's see what's in here. Ooh, I think these are like magnets or stuff. Or like stickers. Yep, they're magnets. This one says, I think this means girl power. This one, it says 50% rad, 50% awesome, 100% totally me. See? And this says love and saw, or whatever that says. Okay. Now let's see what's in here. Done. I think so. This. Whoa. These are a lot of stickers. I accidentally got one out, so I'll put it back. So here's how it looks. See that? Now let's see what's up here. So I think we do this, and I actually don't know what to do now. Oh, whoa. I think like that. This is looking beautiful. Now, let's do this. Hold on. Hey, wow. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, can't get out of my but there's still some tape also. So how do I do this? Whoa, whoopsies, but it's okay. That's so here are the things that got out. These things. This. And this pen. This purple pen, and I think these are stickers, except for this one. And this. Now let's see the rest. Here's another one. And also, this looks like a notebook, but I don't really think. Ooh. Here's how it looks. And we have, I think these are stickers. And in here, we have some stickers, I think. These look like stickers, and I think these are like instructions of things, but here are the things looking like stickers. Hold on. See? And we have two colors of glittery tape. They're pink and purple. This one is pink and this one is purple. is, I think this is glue. I'm trying to get this out of here. I don't really know what these are, but I'm gonna open it. This is pretty sticky. I think these are also stickers, or I actually don't know. But now let's open this. Hold on, I need some scissors. So, okay, I got my scissors. Wait, actually, I don't think I need them. So, okay, so now, we have this, which looks like it's for a vending machine. And this, let's see what's inside. When I sparkle, you do it. Wait. Yep, I think you do. Nothing else in here, but I'm going to see what's in here again and see if we can draw something. Let's draw something. So let's draw something on here. So I will draw a house, but you guys can do it after I draw it. So first I did a triangle. Now I'm doing a square. I can't really do my shapes good, so yeah. Add 2 windows, 1 circle window up here, and a door on this side. And then I'll do this and this. Well, but that's alright. Like this, and then I'll do that. I'll add 1 big window over here, and 1 small window over here. Here's how my house looks. If you guys like it, comment like it in the comments. Now let's open this to see what they are, because I don't actually think they're stickers. I'll open them up. Ooh, I think they are stickers. Oh. And here, and I think this is a sticker. Yeah. And I think these are stickers also. Okay, so here is what I don't actually know, but I'll take them out. Are these stickers, or can we go on the back of them? They don't actually also smell good. I'll put them back inside. Okay, but guys, before the end of the video, I'll show you what I have got. I'll just put it, hold on. I'm trying to put these in. Oh my, this is pretty hard. Like this, like that. Put them inside. Like this. I think I should just do one by one. Anyways, I'll just do it and pack it up later after the end of the video. So, first, I got these. And this. And these beautiful stickers or whatever they are. I got this keychain, this hair tie, and these magnets, and also these stickers, and these. And these beautiful tapes. And this coin, which I actually don't know what it's for anymore. Sparkle on. And this. And I don't really know what these are. Okay, so, and also I have this. See that, and this pen and glue, and whatever this is, or these. And I think that's all. Yep. But if you have, and I think we haven't said this yet, so this. And I think that's all. Okay? So, I made a big mess, but we will pack this up. Bye!